name is Maika Basara Porton, and I am applying for a secondary mathematics teaching position. I am currently pursuing a degree in education and have always been passionate about helping others to learn and grow. Throughout my academic journey, I discovered that teaching is more than simply sharing knowledge. It is about inspiring students, guiding them through challenges, and helping them become the best version of themselves. I chose to pursue a career in education because I believe that teachers have the power to make a lasting impact on the lives of their students. Some of the most influential people in my life were educators who encouraged me, believed in me, and motivated me to achieve my goals. Because of their positive influence, I became inspired to follow the same path and became a teacher who can make a difference in the lives of future generations. Although I am specializing in mathematics, my passion extends beyond teaching a subject. I want to help students build confidence, develop critical thinking skills, and become responsible individuals who are prepared for the future. My teaching philosophy is centered on the belief that every student is capable of learning and succeeding when provided with the proper support, guidance, and opportunities. I believe that learning should be student centered, engaging, and meaningful. Students learn best when they actively participate in the learning process, rather than simply receiving information. As a teacher, my role is not only to teach lessons, but also to motivate, encourage, and guide students toward achieving their full potential. I also believe that education should develop not only academic skills, but also character, responsibility, confidence, and lifelong learning. My goal is to create a classroom environment where students feel safe, respected, and motivated to learn. Every student learns differently, which is why I plan to use a variety of teaching methods and instructional strategies. These may include visual aids, group activities, discussions, hands-on learning experiences, technology-based resources, and also individual tasks. To ensure an inclusive classroom environment, I will foster a culture of respect, understanding, and acceptance. I want every student to feel valued regardless of their background, abilities, or learning style. I will also encourage open communication and provide opportunities for all students to participate and express their ideas. By recognizing individual differences and adapting instruction when necessary, I can help ensure that all learners have the opportunity to succeed. If I encounter a highly disruptive student, I would first remain calm, professional, and respectful. I believe that effective classroom management begins with the understanding the situation rather than reacting emotionally. Initially, I would use nonverbal cues or gentle reminders to redirect the student's behavior while minimizing disruption to the class. If the behavior continues, I would speak with the student privately to understand the cause of the behavior and remind them of classroom expectations. I would work together with the student to find positive solutions and encourage appropriate behavior moving forward. If necessary, I would communicate with parents or guardians and seek support from school personnel to ensure that student receives the guidance and assistance they need. My goal is not simply to stop disruptive behavior, but to help students learn self-discipline, accountability, and positive decision-making skills while maintaining a productive learning environment. To keep students engaged during complex lessons, I would make learning as interactive and meaningful as possible. I believe students are more motivated when they understand the relevance of what they are learning. I would incorporate real-life examples, collaborative activities, educational technology, discussions, and problem-solving tasks that encourage active participation. I would also ask thought-provoking questions and create opportunities for students to share ideas and work together. By creating engaging and relevant learning experiences, students are more likely to remain interested, understand concepts more effectively, and retain information for a longer period of time. If my future students were to describe me in 3 words, I would hope they would say supportive, inspiring, and dedicated. Supportive because I want every student to know that I believe in their abilities and I am always willing to help them succeed. Inspiring because I hope to encourage them to believe in themselves, pursue their goals, and develop a love for learning. Dedicated because I am committed to providing meaningful learning experiences and continuously improving as an educator so that I can better serve my students. I believe that teaching is more than just a profession. It is a responsibility and an opportunity to positively influence the lives of the young people. As a future educator, I am committed to creating a classroom environment that is inclusive, engaging, and supportive for all learners. I look forward to helping students grow academically, socially, and personally while encouraging them to become confident, responsible, and lifelong learners. Thank you so much for your time and consideration, and have a wonderful day.